Eating 2 boiled eggs every day can have various effects on your health, both positive and potentially negative, depending on your overall diet, lifestyle, and individual health status. Here are positive effects. 1. Nutrient intake. Eggs are rich in protein, vitamins such as B12, riboflavin, and folate, minerals like selenium and phosphorus, and healthy fats. Consuming them regularly can contribute to a well-rounded nutrient intake. 2. Protein source. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle maintenance, repair, and overall body function. 3. Choline content. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient important for brain health and function. 4. Weight management. Protein and healthy fats in eggs can help you feel full, potentially aiding in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Here are potential negative aspects. 1. Cholesterol. Eggs contain cholesterol, and some people may be more sensitive to dietary cholesterol intake. However, for many individuals, dietary cholesterol has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels. 2. Allergies and sensitivities. Some people may be allergic to eggs or have sensitivities to certain proteins in eggs, leading to adverse reactions. 3. Saturated fat content. Eating eggs regularly might contribute to saturated fat intake, which, in excess, can have adverse effects on heart health. 4. Individual health conditions. For individuals with specific health conditions, like diabetes or heart disease, it's essential to consider their overall dietary intake and consult a healthcare professional for personalized recommendations. As with most foods, moderation and balance are key. If you're generally healthy and incorporate 2 boiled eggs into a well-rounded diet, they can be a nutritious addition. However, if you have specific health concerns or dietary restrictions, it's essential to consider those factors and consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to ensure that your diet supports your overall health goals. According to the expert, many researchers recommend that one must limit the consumption of egg on a daily basis, else they may increase the risk of cardiovascular disease or diabetes. The number should not exceed 1 or 2 eggs a day, she said. Also, it is important to watch in what form you are consuming it. Are you eating soft egg, raw egg, or half-fry egg? They need to be avoided as they contain bacteria like salmonella, which might harm your digestive system. Eggs provide a valuable source of quality protein, while also containing 13 essential vitamins and minerals, alongside necessary omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. 60% of the high-quality protein in eggs can be found in the egg white, while the yolk contains the rest, along with vital healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all compounding for a valuable contribution to your daily nutritional needs.